Hi everyone, in front of me I've got HUAWEI MediaPad T5 and let me share with you how to clear credentials on this device. So let's start with opening the settings. Let's tap on it. And here in this left section, let's scroll down to find security and privacy. Now we have to scroll down to find more. And right under it, we have to find this section which is connected with the credentials. As you can see at the bottom of it, we've got the clear credentials option, so the option we're looking for. So let's tap on it and tap on OK. We should have the information that the contents has been removed, but as you can see in this device, simply this device does not inform you that it successfully removed the certificates, but no worries, for sure it did. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.